In the narrow bylanes of Delhi's Chandni Chowk, firefighters toiled for hours to douse a blaze that overnight gutted around 100 shops of a wholesale market of electrical and electronic goods. Ignoring the intermittent sounds of blasts and policemen warning of burned out portions of buildings collapsing, dejected traders who had their faces covered with handkerchiefs to prevent the stench waited impatiently to enter their incinerated shops to recover whatever they could. Amid the haze of smoke billowing from the burnt out shops at Mahalakshmi Market in the Bhagri Rath Palace area, the largest wholesale markets for electrical and electronics in the country, policemen could be seen warning people against near the affected buildings.